Hi guys, how are we? Need all of this today. Also got one of these, but I don't really rate them. They're okay. Salted Caramel Club. They're fine, they're alright. Got them from Aldi. If you're interested in trying them. They do put a lot of chocolate on their biscuits. The song is true. 6 out of 10 I'd give it. Oh, it's nice with the coffee though. Anyway, enough of my snacking. I am sharing a home bargains haul today. It was mainly things that I was looking for the garden. So I want to make the garden like nicer. It definitely needs, like, if I had all the money in the world, I would get I'd get it completely done, but that's just not an option. So I'm just gonna like spruce it up a little bit. My decking area is looking tatty. I'm gonna repaint it and just add a new bit. So I'm gonna go through things that I got other bits as well, but it was mainly things that I was thinking, what can I put outside? The first thing to show you guys is these lanterns. Oh, let me get my receipt. So loads of gorgeous lanterns, as always. I just thought, out of all of the lanterns that are in Home Bargains, that these were the best like bargains. So it's these. They are solar lanterns. They do them in this colour. It's like a bronze colour, isn't it? And then they did them in silver as well. Really light. They're plastic, I think, which is actually better for me because a football flies in everything in my garden, but a football can fly into them and it's probably not going to break it. They were £3.99 each, which I thought was quite a good price. £4 for like solar lights. I am going to have many lights in the garden, so when the nights start getting darker, I can really appreciate all of the solar lights coming on, and I can still sit outside even if it's chilly. I've got a heater out there and I can get my throws and it can just be lovely. And I need to start using the projector because I've got a projector for the boys to watch films and things outside, so I need to start using that. I've just not been using my decking space to its like full potential, and I really need to. So I'm gonna start jazzing it up a little bit. So I started by getting some new lanterns. So yeah, £3.99. I thought it was quite good. What do you think? Another thing that I got, which was like the best purchase, was one of these swing seats. I'm trying to show you properly. I'll insert a clip of it hanging up. Ooh, I'm not going to be able to show you properly because it's so big. So it's one of these like hammock seats. It comes with 2 cushions. I'll just have to show you it when it's in situ because I just can't really show it properly. It's got like tassels on it. This didn't come with it. I actually booked, so it doesn't come with the hanging accessories, so I bought something off Amazon, which I can link down below if anybody's interested. It's like good for hammocks and swings and things. I'm just going to have it hung on the decking space. It's another seat then. It's a little swing chair. It's just quite cute, and this was £20 and I'm really happy with it. Obviously this is all machine washable, I would assume, as well, if you can take it. Well, at least the cushions are anyway. And you could add your own cushions to it because they're not the biggest. They look like they might go a little bit pancakey after time as well, but I wanted another seat out there. I didn't want to spend a lot, so that is the perfect thing to have in the corner as well, because it's a little bit like there's gaps where I want some more things, so another seat was like ideal. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it was 20 quid. Oh, it's not on this receipt, but I'm pretty sure that that's how much it was. Some more things that I got for outside. I got some more lights, obviously, because like I say, I'm making it all beautiful and lit up. I got these ivy leaf string lights. So it was a toss up between these and just like some normal string lights. I've got some that I've just put out that were from Home Bargains, like the ones that are wire ones that look really nice wrapped around trees, and I have had them before and then mowed over them, so that's something you have to be careful, don't you? Just don't mow over the solar wire, which I have done a few times. But this is, again, I'm going to hang up around the decking. I don't know what the leaves look like. Oh, they're bigger than I thought, actually. I mean, somebody said, which I thought was a brilliant tip if it works, to spray anything like this to stop it going discoloured. Did she spray like clear varnish over everything? Something like that. And I thought, oh wow. Because that's the only thing that worries me is things like this. With it being fake, it could go like a funny colour in the sun. But where it's going to go, it might not be too much of an issue. I don't know. I need to have a play around with everything yet and just see how I want things to look. How many lights do you get? 30 lights. That's how they look on the box. Crikey, they've wrapped them up well. Oh, that doesn't look too bad actually. I'm quite happy with that. I think they're going to look really nice wrapped around like one of the wooden posts. What do you think? pretty happy with that. I'm looking forward to going out and like decorating everything. I just need to get it all like swept and painted and all that boring stuff done first, and then I can make it look pretty again. But no, I love them. I'm really pleased with them. Did I say how much they were? I don't think I did. £4.99, and they're like they're a warm LED light. I'm excited. I got some others as well. It's worth looking out for all of these lights actually in places like, I've noticed in Aldi they're going in the sale because they're getting rid of all the summer stuff, aren't they? And B&M, they put a lot of things in the sale as well. These are some 10 LED string metal cage solar lights. They remind me of jellyfish. So more to hang off all of the top of the decking space and like the pergola. Yeah, I'm just gonna have that whole area just lit up. And maybe like I need to paint the boys' climbing frame. I might put some lights on that. Like let's just go crazy. Let's just put them everywhere. This was £4.99 as well. Have a little look in the box. I don't know how big they are. Can't be that big. So that is those. They're gonna look pretty. So yeah, another set of lights. Some things that I bought for the boys' bedroom is these giraffes. I don't know why I keep buying things that are giraffe related. I've got this from B&M. This obviously isn't Home Bargains, but I got a giraffe head. I just like all this like safari sort of stuff in their bedroom. If you're interested, that was £3. I'm just going to hang that up somewhere. But they've already got a giraffe on their shelves, but I just thought these would look really nice in their bedroom. So we've got like a big one. That could be Dilly because he's bigger. And then that could be Archie. And yeah. I think they're quite nice. They're Jeff Banks ones. I guess you could spray them, couldn't you, if you didn't want gold ones, but they're going to go nice in the boys' room. You could use them as like bookends as well. That might be quite a good idea actually. Yeah, I love them. How much did I pay for them though? Because I just spotted them and was like, more giraffes. And they won't go anywhere else in the house, so I'm making sure they're going to work in the boys' room. And they've got like nice pretty things on their shelves. So the small one was £4.99 and the large one was £5.99. Have you ever seen a giraffe fight though? Like giraffes are fighting each other. They just throw their heads around. It's hilarious. If you've never seen them doing that, then Google it, because it's just the most bizarre looking thing how they get into like arguments. But those are the Jeff Banks giraffes. Oh, this I thought was good. I mean, it's not particularly exciting, but I did think this would come in very handy in my house in particular because I've just got such tech loving children. It is a extension cable, but it comes with, which I didn't even know you could get. You might be watching this thinking like everyone's got one of them, like it's not a big thing. I'd never seen it where you can just get it with the USB plugs. In my house every day there will be, where's my charger, where's my tablet charger, oh you've using it, where's the plug, mum can I have your charger plug? Like it's just continuous because everything is wires, plugs, all of that. So I think this will come in really handy for just charging up the boys' devices, and I just needed to get a new one to be honest. So we've got 4 sockets, 4 USBs. It's a 2-meter lead, suitable for tablets, smartphones, cameras, sat navs and other USB devices. And that was £6.99. In this house I don't have many plug sockets, which is really annoying, so I do have to have a few extension cables around. There's just very limited amounts of spaces to plug things in, which is irritating, not gonna lie. I also got some little cleaning bits. I've used these this morning because it's like my bed cover washing day. I always put these in with my bed in just because it smells gorgeous. This is my favourite. Spring Awakening. I don't use it on all my clothes. I don't use it on the kids stuff. I just use it on bed covers. If I wash any of like the chair cushions and things like that, things that don't get washed all the time. I mean, my bedding gets washed once a week, and I do find that that smell stays nice in the sheets, especially when I can hang all the washing outside. But I don't put it in the kids stuff just because it's such a strong scent and can irritate. Like Archie's skin is very sensitive, so I mainly just use it for things that I know is only my stuff. But yeah, this is my favourite. Oh, I use way too much of it though. It just smells so nice, so fresh. How much were they? Picking up the wrong little receipt. £2.99 for those. And then I got some of the bleach spray, the Flash bleach spray, because this is my favourite for like cleaning the toilet and the bathroom, just purely because it's obviously got the bleach in it, and I just like to give the whole toilet seat a spray with this pretty much every time I go past it, because I've got 3 boys and that's just something that I need to do in this house, is make sure that I'm regularly bleaching the toilet. Yeah, kids, eh? And this was, I think it's like £1 for this. Yeah, 99p for some of that. I just tend to use it in the bathroom more than anything. And then I've got a few of these because they're my favourite. They've got a bit of a kick to them, which I wish they didn't. I just have to drink a lot of water when I have them, but I just really like them. I've said about them before, just these are the ones that I only get, the sweet and sour ones, mug shots. Just find it great when I'm like a bit peckish, quick snack. I said about just having one before I go and do the school run in the afternoons a lot of the time, just to tide me over. I got 3 of them. They're normally quite cheap. Actually, I might have got 4, but I think I've eaten one. They're quite cheap in Home Bargains. I think they're about 49p. Yeah, they must be around 49p. And yeah, I would recommend them. They're very nice little snack. And that is everything. I'm excited actually because I've just had the post and I've had to order a new Tesco club card because it's one of them really frustrating things. I was trying to find the Tesco club card number and it was saying go onto the app, it's on there, and then every time I went onto that it was like, well, put in your number for your club card, and I thought, that's what I'm trying to find. Like, it was just one of them where I went round and round, so I thought I'm just going to order a new card, because I completely forgot about all of my Tesco club card points, and I've got quite a bit of money on them, so I'm hoping that when I have a look at the website, which I'm going to do in a minute, and just see what sort of things I can do with the boys with them. You used to be able to do Odeon, and I don't think they do that anymore. But they do Cineworld, and I'm going to have a little look because I think it's good to just remember, if you haven't checked your club card points, have a look, and if you're struggling for things to do over the summer holidays, that might come in handy. So I'm going to go do that now and see if I can plan some days for the boys and put all my stuff away. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did, and also please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.